This is our ultimate day cream, a nutrient-rich cream to smooth fine lines and help with firming and lifting. It also helps with blue light protection and enhances the skin barrier. It's a very lightweight texture and it's easily to smooth over the skin after using the Ultimate Serum. Our key ingredients are our pure Wadi Wadi jojoba, a great antioxidant with vitamins A, D and E and omegas 6 and 9 for the health and nutrition of the skin. We also have Arctalis, which is a fermented marine active which helps with blue light digital aging. We also have Orchid and Magnolia active, which helps with sagging, firming and lifting. It also hydrates. We also have broccoli seed oil, which is moisturising and softening, and also is a natural source of vitamin A. Clinical proven results, 150% increase in moisture in just 7 days. How to use. Apply on a clean skin after your serum, all over the face, neck and décolletage. You really only need the size of a thumbnail.